Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Phantom Wallet and just type in here your password. Once you're logged in, just go to your Solana, tap on this. But since I don't have balance on my account, I'm just going to show you how and what are the process of selling a Solana meme coins on Phantom. So first, just click on this one. And then after you tap on that, just go to this website. You can search radium.io, this one. Now once you're here, you can tap on this connect wallet option right here. So just click and then tap on this phantom to connect our wallet to this radium.io. So just tap on connect again. And there you go, your Phantom wallet is already connected to this radium.io. So in here you can go ahead and swap or sell your Solana token. But I suggest you guys to swap it to USDT. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so I've placed the USDT. So after that, you can then go ahead and tap on this arrow right here to swap. And then after you swap on that, you can then go ahead and convert your USDT to other currency. It's your preferred currency. And that's it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!